Hi, are you ready to talk about summer skin? Want beautiful, smooth, soft, and glowing summer skin? I do. Well, I've rounded up lots of tips for you, and today I'm going to talk about moisturizing. Earlier in past videos, we talked about taking care of what's inside because it shows up, hydration, exfoliating, all those things, keeping your cool. So watch my past videos, but here we go. You know it's important to moisturize your body, right? And because we want that soft summer skin, especially when it gets dried out. Lately, mine has, from air conditioning, beach days, chlorine from the pool, all those things. So before I tell you about my favorite moisturizers and some tips, have you thought about what's in your moisturizers? And when you apply something on your skin and let your kids and family use the same things, it's so important to protect your body. I'm passionate about this because your skin is your biggest organ, and what you put on it gets absorbed and goes in your bloodstream and affects your organs and everything. So when I get overwhelmed, when I look at a product and I look at all the ingredients and don't know, like, oh, do I have to research every one? Well, here is just an easy starting point. One ingredient you want to avoid is anything with fragrance or perfume. So that's an easy thing to read and avoid. And why is that important? Well, if you see fragrance or perfume as an ingredient, don't be fooled. I used to be. This is really a catch-all term that stands for over like 3,000 different hidden mysterious ingredients. It could include carcinogens, allergens, endocrine disruptors, that's like fake hormones, respiratory irritants, neurotoxic chemicals, and even environmental toxins. So that's a long list. This loophole is really unfortunate because this loophole in the FDA allows companies to include nearly really any ingredient without listing it. So we can't protect ourselves, right? So that's pretty scary. So just be careful what you put on your skin. And that's the first tip, is avoid fragrance, because then you can avoid all that bad stuff that you don't know what's in. So my go-to company, of course, you've heard me say this before, is Young Living, because I've researched it. They really care about being natural and non-synthetic and carefully distilling, growing their essential oils, and they added in almost all their products. So it's been my easy button, because not only does it not have fragrance, only using their great essential oils, but they don't have any of those other bad ingredients like phthalates and paraffins and all the other toxic things. So I don't have to read the long, crazy ingredient list on a product, but just know it's okay and I could just buy it all. So let's talk about, again, moisturizing your skin. Some of my favorites, sometimes I DIY my moisturizers, like body butter. This one has been so affordable and so moisturizing. It just has coconut oil and cocoa butter melted with, customizable essential oils. Watch for my other reel or video on that previously. And another thing I love is the Young Living coconut lime body butter. Oh, it smells so good. Smells like you're on vacation, almost done there. But it's so thick and moisturizing, especially elbows and knees and feet that get dried out. Another one of my favorites, I was holding this earlier, is lavender lotion. Just basic and soothing, but so good after being in the sun. And if you get too much sun, I love putting this on. Lavender is really good for sunburns. Another really moisturizing treat is Young Living CBD Beauty Boost. So it has rose essential oil in here and CBD, and this serum is so moisturizing and feels good when your skin is dried out. I love putting it around my eyes, everywhere, my neck, chest, everywhere. And I've seen great benefits from there. Another favorite sun one in the summertime is cel-lite Magic. And this is great. I put it on at night, and I actually add more grapefruit essential oil in here and sometimes cypress, and I put it on my legs to help have real smooth looking legs. And I noticed a big difference since I'm wearing shorts and sundresses all the time. So those are some of my favorites. And Young Living also has wonderful skincare for just every day, from cleansers, moisturizers, even a teen line, and for mature skin. So I hope you got some tips, and I hope you have soft and moisturized summer skin so you can enjoy it all and be in the sun and the heat and still have great skin. All right, take care.